Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of your United States Air Force and the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Adrian Spain, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, we'd like to welcome you to today's F-15 Eagle demonstration. My name is Kyle Dupont for Portland, Oregon, and on behalf of the virtual F-15 Eagle West demonstration team, it is my distinct pleasure to describe for you today a combat capability demonstration by one of America's most premier air superiority fighters, the Boeing F-15 Eagle. An aircraft whose combat role is to establish and maintain air superiority. Introduced into the United States Air Force in January 1976, the Eagle flew its first combat missions in Operation Desert Storm in January 1991. The F-15 carries the newest and most advanced air-to-air weapons in the United States Air Force inventory to accomplish its mission. Launching and recovering our aircraft are our dedicated crew chiefs on the 2025 virtual F-15 Eagle West demonstration team. From Las Vegas, Nevada, our public affairs specialist, Aaron Cuban Lara. From Dubuque, Iowa, our team safety observer, Levi Tango Kiernan. And from Orlando, Florida, our team superintendent, John Cameron. Finally, from Cleveland, Ohio, your 2025 commander and pilot of the virtual F-15 Eagle West demonstration team is Carl Van Norman. He is an experienced virtual fighter pilot that has more than 4,000 hours of total flight simulation experience and strives to push his aircraft to the absolute limits. Now you're about to witness the legendary capabilities of one of the most proven fighter aircraft ever built. The F-15 you see before you is a symbol of unmatched air superiority with its incredible speed, agility, and overwhelming raw power. Its broad twin-tail design and powerful engines make it a dominant force in air combat. This remarkable aircraft represents a defining era in air power. It stands as a testament to the Air Force's dedication to achieve and maintain total control of the skies. As today's demonstration begins from the left, Ben will show you just how fast the F-15 can get off the ground and climb. The thunderous noise of the two Pratt & Whitney F-100 engines provide more than 50,000 pounds of thrust that sends fear through our enemies. Now it is time to stand up and make some noise. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, give it up for Ben in the United States Air Force's F-15 Eagle. When flying low in combat, speed is light. Now from the right, Ben is returning to show center at 300 feet and nearly the speed of sound, traveling at 650 miles per hour, which is less than half its top speed. During scramble operations, this capability allows the F-15 to fly undetected deep into enemy territory and execute supersonic intercept in less than a minute. Dan is now repositioning for his next maneuver. As he approaches show center from the left, he will demonstrate the Eagle's crisp handling characteristics by performing the exacting 4-point roll. To show center to demonstrate the F-15's exceptional turn capability. In their stern, the pilot will be pressed deep into the seat by a force greater than 9 times his normal weight. This capability keeps our F-15s on the offensive in any air-to-air engagement. for the triple roll. He will accelerate up to 450 miles per hour to demonstrate the rolling maneuverability by snapping the Eagle through 3 rapid rolls in less than 6 seconds. Low-speed flight is just as important as high-speed flight. Ben is now decelerating and approaching show center in the landing configuration to demonstrate the Eagle's precise handling characteristics as it rolls from side to side. Show center from the left to demonstrate the Eagle's excellent turn capability with the maneuver called the level 8. He will perform a hard turn in one direction, followed by another hard turn in the opposite, tracing a figure 8 over the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, Ben is now inbound for another high-speed pass, selecting max afterburn and accelerating up to 650 miles per hour. From the left, the F-15 Eagle. Ben is now repositioning his F-15 from behind and to the left to set up for the dedication pass. Ben and the rest of the virtual F-15 Eagle West demo team from the 33rd Fighter Wing wish to dedicate this next pass to the men and women from all branches of the U.S. Armed Forces, allies, and their families who support them. We'd also like to remember our wounded warriors and veterans in attendance and those who have given their lives defending this great nation. Now from behind and to the left, the F-15 Eagle proudly presents the dedication pass. Now repositioning his aircraft to return to show center as he passes by in the Knife Edge Pass, demonstrating the exceptional flight control system which makes such a maneuver possible. We'd like to dedicate this final pass to the real-life F-15 Eagle West demonstration team that ended service in 2009. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, the Knife Edge Pass. approaching show center for the final maneuver, a technical pitch-up before landing. You'll fly by at 500 feet, pull up, roll, and prepare to land. From the right, the tack pitch. Approximately 185 miles per hour on final and touch down at 160. This aircraft is one small part of an impressive Air Force inventory. As Ben lands, notice how he uses the F-15's large wings to dramatically slow down on rollout while holding the nose high and the wings exposed to the airstream. The F-15 Eagle is stopped at less than 4,000 feet. Add this ability to take off from short runways, you have a fighter that can safely operate from thousands of airfields around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's demonstration. We hope you've enjoyed this brief display of only a fraction of the F-15 Eagle's full combat capability. Both the F-15 and its dual-role cousin, the F-15E, have played vital roles in the defense of this nation for over the last decade. They represent your Air Force's dedication to global reach and global power, ready to aim high, fly, fight, and win, ensuring our ability to meet any challenge, anytime, under any conditions, anywhere in the world. It was American F-15s that defeated every enemy aircraft that rose to meet them without the loss of a single aircraft to enemy fighters. On behalf of your United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Adrian Spain, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, we thank you for your attendance and thank you for your patriotism as well as your support. Please check us out on YouTube, Instagram, and Discord for more information about the demo, the shows we attend, and applications to apply.